press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, how are you? I hope that all are doing good. So today I am here with you with the new lesson. The name of the lesson is The Thief's Story. I am not saying this is going to be an interesting lesson. So some lessons and some stories are different, which it not only gives fun to us, sometimes it gives some moral lessons, is it? From that story, we can understand that, so the characters which we come to know about in that lesson, so how they have changed their life, so what they were leading before it, after knowing that this is not a reality. So whatever the life they are leading, so that is not true, that is not good one. So later they have changed the life. So here I am going to say about a boy. Okay, so he was a thief here, and here in this lesson he is narrating his story. Okay, how he was transformed from a bad character to a good character. Okay, before I am going to move to the lesson, so let's see about the author. So this lesson was written by Ruskin Bond. He was born on 19th May 1934. And he is also called as an Indian writer. You know that Indian writer which belongs to English literature. So it is more or less during the age of 19th century. But the Ruskin Bond's writing and his the way of expressing his thoughts and ideas and his opinions, so that gives us some different dimension to the Indian writer. So he belongs to India, although he belongs to India, but he is famous in English literature. His writing is famous in English literature. Okay, so this is about, and he is also called as a children's author, because whatever the writing, so which is related to Ruskin Bond, so he was the characters, the story, everything, it is revolves around the children. Okay, the story which is based on the children. So this is the special quality of Ruskin Bond here. Okay, so he is one of the Indian author, so which belongs to Indian English literature. Okay, so this is about the author of this lesson. So now we are going to look into this lesson. So this is the story of a boy. So later I will tell you who is the boy here. I told you, so this boy was a thief. Okay, this boy was a thief. So when he was met with another person, the name of the person is Anil. When he was met with that man, his life was transformed. Okay, so let's see what are the transformation. So he was experienced here. So let's see in this lesson. A young boy makes friends with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. Does the boy betray his trust? So here the question is asking to the reader, means to us. So Anil, he made a friend with that boy. The boy is nothing but a thief. Okay, so he was a thief. And that thief went under the employ of Anil's house. Okay, and when he was employed in Anil's house, so is he broken the trust? Betray means he was cheating to the Anil. So let's see in this lesson. So here there are some questions again. Who does I refer to in this story? What is he a fairly successful hand at? What does he get from Anil in return for his work? Here there are some questions. So after the end of the story, so you are going to write the story as your homework book. Okay, so this is the thing. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. So here I told you, here the narrator is a thief, the boy. So he is narrating his story. So he was a thief when he was met a man called Anil, and the thief was the age of the thief was only 15, and I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. It means that he is good in the art of theft. Okay, he is very good in the skill of theft. So here very successful hand means he is very good at the art of theft. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. So how he was met to the Anil? So who the thief was? He was met with the Anil while Anil was watching a wrestling match. You know the wrestle. So it is a kind of a game which two participants are having a fight with each other. Okay, and it's like a grunting, throwing, okay, pushing, everything which is required for the fighting. So all the techniques are applying in this game. So that is the kind of a game here that is called wrestling. So Anil was watching that game. He was about 25. Anil was about, the age of the Anil was 25. A tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. So when he was met this Anil, so that thief was, he was about 25-year-old, and he was a tall guy, and he was very lean. Lean means thin, and he looked easygoing. So while looking this guy, he was not like a strict man, a strict guy. He is a easygoing, kind. He is very kind and simple enough my purpose, and he is so simple while looking it. Okay, you know the thief. The main speciality of the thieves are, so they can read the postures, the gestures, the personality of a people easily. Okay, because they are observing. So here this thief, the boy has the special quality here because he is an expert in theft. Okay, and he understood that the main character of the Anil. Okay, so this is the story of a boy here and how he was met with the Anil. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So here in this sentence it has written, I hadn't had much luck of late. It means here, so in earlier job, means whenever he goes for a job and he was under the employee there, so who are the owner of the job, he can get the confidence easily, the owner which they had took this boy as a employee. Okay, and whenever he get a chance to steal something, he steal it, he rob it, and he ran away from that place. Okay, and earlier work, whatever he has done, okay, it was not successful. So his fate is not good enough. So now he is thinking that now his luck is going to be changed here. Okay, so then, and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So this time, so when he was looked into the Anil, so he was a person like a simple, kind and easygoing type of a person. So he understood that, yeah, he can get the confidence easily of the Anil. Okay, so this is the thing in this paragraph. So let's move on to the next story. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. So here the thief says here, when he was met with the Anil, and he wanted to give some impression. Okay, so because he wanted to make friendship with this guy, with this Anil, so he began with the conversation. He took the chance and he began his conversation. What is the conversation here? You look a bit of wrestler yourself, because Anil was watching a wrestling match. So he thought that if I discuss something about wrestling, so he will talk to me. So he said here, so you are looking like a wrestler. He said to Anil. The thief was said to Anil. A little flattery helps. Little flattery. Flattery means insincere praise. Insincerely he was praising, he was appreciating this Anil. Okay, it helps in making friends. So what is his intention? His main intention is to steal, is to rob the Anil. If whatever the things he has, so he wanted to rob from him. So before he wanted to rob whatever the special things or money from the Anil, so he want the confidence. So how he get the confidence? Because while making the friendship. Okay, so this is the story here. So let's move on to the next. So do you? He replied. So do you? He replied. Then who replied here? Anil. So you also looking the same. You also looking a kind of wrestler here. He replied here. Anil was replied like this. which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Put me off, it means that to offend. Okay, so while I am reading the lessons, while I am explaining, I am telling you the important meanings and some of the what called the phrases. Okay, so you have to underline that one and try to write the meanings in your textbook, otherwise in your notes. Okay, which is using for the references. And put me off. Put me off means offend. It means he was hurted. Why he was hurted? So because he was not looking like a wrestler here. He is a thin guy who thief was. The thief was a thin guy here. So he said to Anil that you are looking like a wrestler. You are looking bit like a wrestler. So instead of listen those words very easily, answer once again he said something. So who Anil was said to? Anil was said to the thief that you are also looking like a wrestler. So now he was hurted. Who was hurted here? The thief was hurted here. Okay, so this is happening here. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. Modestly, well, I said modestly here. These sentences said by thief. Okay, modestly means in a humble manner. The thief was responded to Anil. Yes, I am doing wrestling. I am practicing. Okay, so little bit I am doing the wrestler. So I am looking like a wrestler. So he also know that they both are not doing because by the physique, because wrestler they are a huge, the gigantic figure they need. But these two people are the Anil and the thief, they both are very thin. Okay, so but they wanted to make a friendship here. So who are wanted to make a friendship here? The thief, not the Anil. What's your name? So here Anil was responded. Anil asked the questions to thief. So he asked the question to thief that, what's your name? Hari Singh. He replied. Who? Thief replied, I lied. He said, lie here. Why he said lie? I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. Okay. So he is changing. He's keep on changing his name once in a month. Okay, because wherever he goes, he should not caught easily to the police and also the employer. Employer means the owner of the work or a job who are offered to this thief. Because he was cheated them, he was robbed something from that place. So because of that intention, he wanted to escape from that crime. So he was changing his name. So now it is a new name here. So when he was introducing himself to Anil, so he says here he was a Hari Singh, but actually this is not a real name of thief. Okay. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. Okay. So after introducing both of them, so they are talking about the wrestling. Who here? Anil was talking about the wrestler. So wrestler, they were applying the oil all over their bodies because they were not catch the opponent, which is easily here. So that's why, so they are applying the oil on their bodies, and then grunting, they make a noise like grunting. Grunting means it's a kind of a sound while playing the wrestling. Okay. Then grunting, lifting, throwing. So all the actions which is related to wrestling. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. So here thief say here, he didn't know anything about the wrestling, but he don't have anything to say to Anil. So he was listened what the things are said by Anil, and now Anil was walked casually. He went away from that place. Hello again, he said. So while Anil was going ahead, so he was followed. The thief was followed to Anil. And again he says, hello. I gave him a most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. So here the thief was given a appealing smile because he was going ahead. He was not interested to make a friend with this guy. Okay, he was moving ahead. So while moving ahead, he was walking on the street. So he was behind. The thief was behind, and he was wanted to go along with the Anil, and he was giving a sweet smile. Okay, a sweet kind of a smile to Anil. I want work for you. So the thief replied, I wanted to work for you. I want to work with you. I said, but I can't pay. But I said means this word said by thief. But I can't pay you. So these words said by Anil. I don't have money to pay you. So how can I give a work to you? I don't have anything. I don't have money to give you. Okay. So he said, I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, can you feed me? So here, he is not giving up here. He's trying to make a friend with this guy, with the Anil. So again, he is not leaving the chance to make a friendship. So he was in a confusion. He was in a thought. He thinking about a while. So easy was guess this guy in a wrong manner. So he is not a right person for his to acquire something in his home. So he thought like that. I asked, can you feed me? So the thief was asked, can you feed me? Feed me means, can you give me a food? Can you offer me food? Can you cook? So again Anil replied, can you cook? Means, are you no cooking? I can cook. I lied again. So who lied here? So first is he lied about his name, and now he is lying about the profession. Although this thief doesn't know about the cooking, but he's lied here. He lied that I can cook. Okay? If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. So here Anil responded that if you know the cooking, so I can give you food for you. Okay? He took me to his room over the Jamna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. So over here, so this Anil was agreed about to that guy has to the thief was to come along with him, and over by the Jamna sweet shop, and they crossed the sweet shop and they moved for his home, and he was staying in the room, and Anil allowed to the thief to sleep in the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible, because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. Okay, so that night when Anil took this thief to his home, so he cooked the food, he cooked the meal. Who cooked here? So the thief was cooked the meal, and it was a disaster. It was not good in taste. Okay, it was bad food. So he was given this food to stray dog. Stray dog means a street dog, and told to be off. To be off means to get out from my house. So Anil said after knowing that this guy didn't know anything about the cooking, so he said him to get out from my house. That means to be off. To be off means get out. Okay. But I just hang around smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. After listening these words, after insulting, so Anil was insulting him. But although this boy never minded, he was not mind about that, so he wanted to get out from the house. Okay, so he gave again the most appealing smile. Okay, again he was like a smiling. So which Anil can't stop himself for laughing. Okay. Then later he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he would teach me to cook. Okay. So again he was patted on the head and he said that, never mind, don't mind that, I will teach you how to cook. So who said this? Anil said to this thief. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. So Anil was a literate man, he was an educated man. So he was taught to this thief, so how to write the name of his, okay. And he was teaching too, and he said that he will be teaching some of the sentences, okay, to write some of the sentences, how to write here. And he wanted to teach that add the numbers, means additions. I was grateful. So this thief was grateful about that. He is getting a knowledge, he is getting a education from this Anil. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. Okay, here he was feeling appreciation about the Anil. If he knows about how to read and write, so that day was like it's a great achievement for me. Okay, it was like a success for me. Okay, because he didn't know how to read and write. He was illiterate. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. So pleasant means it was happy for the thief to work for Anil. I made tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit about ₹1 a day. Okay, so here he made a tea for Anil in the morning. In the next morning, he made a tea for Anil. And the next job of this thief was to get the what called the food, means either it may be the vegetables or get the things which is related to for a food. So which is buying from the stores and usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. So while buying the things which he need for a day, okay, which they both are needed for the day, so he just took the ₹1 for a day with his profit. Okay, profit means he will save some of the amount, so from buying. So that one he was not giving to Anil. So he is keeping with him. Who? The thief was keeping with him. So how much amount is? It's ₹1. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. So Anil was also knowing that this boy is not returning that amount, how much he was saved from that buying of the groceries for home. Okay, he was not giving it, and Anil also knows this, but he is not revealing that truth. Okay, he was not mind that he is taking ₹1 for a day. Okay, so like this the Anil was. Excuse me. So next what happened here? Anil made money by fits and starts. So fits, it means that Anil, how he was making money, it means that here, so he was a writer by his profession, he was a writer here, and here thief was explaining about his profession and how he was getting money. Fits means about the money which is have to take a borrow. He was borrowing, and when he will get the salary or a payment, so then he was returning to the grocery shops, to the other people. Okay, so the starts, he would borrow 1 week, lend the next. So for a week, how much the money he needed for a 1 week, he was borrowed from the shop, from the shopkeeper or from any person, or he borrowed the money from other people. Okay, and whenever he get the salary, he was return it back. Okay, so like this he was leading his life. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. So Anil was waiting for his next check. Next check means about his payment, but soon as when he was get his the payment, he was getting a celebration. He wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. So it seems that he wrote for a magazines means he was a writer. Anil was a writer and is working for some of the magazines. A queer way to make a living. Queer means a strange way. So he is making something like he arranged something strange manner of leading a life. Okay, so which is not normal one. So whenever he writes some of the stories for a magazine, okay, and he has to wait for a payments. Okay, so for nearly 1 week or 15 days. And how he was fulfilled his daily needs by the fits and starts. Means he was borrowing and he was lent somebody. Okay, so like it is, he was having his daily needs. He was fulfill his daily needs. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. So one of the evening, he came with the news. So what is the news? And he was come with some small bundle of notes. Small bundle of notes. Small bundle of notes means he has brought some of the amount, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. So he was a writer and he sold his writing, his work to some of the publisher. So he had got now payment. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattresses. So he was tucked. Tucked means he was tied the amount like this. He tied the amount and he was kept under the mattresses where he was sleeping, where the Anil was sleeping. So he was kept under his mattresses. So it was observed by thief. So thief here is the boy, that is Hari Singh. Okay. I had been working for Anil for almost a month. So for a 1 month he was working for Anil. Apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. So what is cheating here? So what kind of a work he is doing here? He was daily needs, whatever the things he needs, the Anil needs, he was go out of the house to purchase something. And while he was purchasing, he saves the amount of 1 rupee. So only that job he was doing, means he was cheating for only 1 rupee for a day. Okay, and the whole month he was continuing. And rather than this, he was not doing anything else. Okay, now he got the opportunity to steal some of the rupees. I had ever opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me key to the door and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Okay, so he trusted, Anil was trusted this boy very much. Okay, and he given the keys of the home to this guy, this boy, the thief. Okay, and more than the stealing of 1 rupee, means saving of 1 rupee you can say, or stealing of 1 rupee, more than that he was not done anything wrong here, who the thief was. So now he got an opportunity to steal some of the amount which the Anil got as a payment. Okay, so now he got the opportunity here and he was trusted more, means he was trusted most to this the thief. And this thief was also know this. So he was trusting a lot. And here he says, I had ever met means this kind of a person he has never met in his life, because he was trusting this guy. So he was a stranger. So only for a few talking he made his friendship, and he offered the food here and he offered to stay in the home, and he knows that, the Anil knows that he was stealing some of the amount. Okay, some of the amount of means 1 rupee for a day. He knows it. After knowing it, he was trusting to this thief. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. Because of the trust. Because of that trust, he takes a long time to thief something from his home. To steal some of the amount from the home. It's easy to rob a greedy man. So here he says, it's an easy job to rob a greedy man. Greedy man means a selfish man. It's easy to rob some of the selfish man, okay, because he can afford to be robbed. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. So what he says here, it's easy to rob the greedy man, but it is not easy to rob the careless man. Even though he knows it, that he has robbed, okay, he was stolen, some thief was stolen something from him, but then also he was not responding. So all the interest means all the thrill and it's kind of adventure of that job, it was went away. Okay, it was like it was not give a pleasure to this thief. Okay, because Anil knows it, so he is stealing, he is he is cheating, everything he knows it. He given the opportunity to steal, okay, but he is not responding anything. So after knowing that the Anil knows everything, the thief, after knowing this by the thief that Anil knows everything, so what he does, it's he feel like stealing something is like a sad, it's not give a pleasure to him. Okay. Well, it's a time I did some real work, I told myself. So now he said to himself, the boy said, the Hari Singh said to himself that now this is the time to steal something. Okay, and it's about a real work, it's a real work his. I am out of practice. So 1 month he was not steal anything like other things rather than the small things. Okay. So now he was out of practice. So he was left his practice. And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Okay. He thought that, means the thief was thought that here, if I not steal this money, he was simply spend this amount on his friend, and later he will never pay me, but he was never give me the payment, means he was staying there in the home. So he is never going to be give money to me, only he is spending on his friends. So then Anil was asleep. So now, so the story it is moved like this. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. Okay, so Anil was asleep. He was in deep sleep. A beam of moonlight, the reflection of the moonlight, it was inside the home, stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. So it was crossed, the reflection of a moonlight, it crossed to the balcony and it was fell on the face of the Anil. On the bed. I sat up on the floor considering the situation. So he was sitting, he was not slept, because he decided the thief intention is to steal something from the home, and now he get the chance because Anil kept some of the amount on his mattresses. So he was not slept. The Hari Singh was not slept and he was sitting on the floor and is watching that. So when he will get a chance, he can steal it. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. So before the time, like he was planning to catch the train, okay, at around 10:30. So that 10:30 there is a Lucknow express train, it's there, okay. And now he was thinking that if he got that amount in a right time now, so he can go out to the other place easily, okay. So he was thinking this. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. So he was moved, he was removed his blanket and I crept up to the bed. Crept means it is the past form of creep. Creep means crawling, the insects, how it is crawling. So that is a kind of a movements of insects. So he was crept on the bed, okay, up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. So when he was creeping, okay, the thief was creeping, so Anil was sleeping peacefully. Then his face was clear and unlined. He was peace, he was calm. So when he was sleeping, there is no disturbance in his sleep. Okay, there is no tension, there is no stress. Okay, that one was observed by the thief. And it was unlined. There is no wrinkles on his face. Whose face? Anil's face. Even I had more marks on my face. Anil was about 25-year-old. This thief was about 15-year-old. But this boy had so many lines on his face. But Anil, he doesn't have any lines on his face. Though mine were mostly scars and so many scars on his face. You know that, how the thieves were when we watch some movies and we watch some serials. How we can assume the thief, how we can imagine how the thief was. Okay, so like they are going to produce the characters, is it? There are so many marks, there are so many scars on the faces and there are so many lines, okay. So like it is. Then it was observed. Who observed here? Hari Singh was observed the face of the Anil. My hand slid under the mattress searching for the notes. Okay, so he was searching the notes. It was under the mattress. The notes means rupees or under the mattress. So he was searching to steal now. When I found them, I drew out without a sound. So when he was found it, he draw it without making a noise. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. So when he was draw the amount from the mattress, so Anil was moved aside. He was moved from left to right, and which is he was moved towards the thief's face. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. He was very hurried, and while he was crawling, He was not making a single noise. He was moving? He was moving in a crawling way like an insect, and he was out of the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. So he was reached to the road, he started running. I had the notes on my waist held there by the string of my pyjamas. So he was holding his pajama string and he has a amount, the rupees on his waist. I slowed down to walk and counted the notes. So he wanted to escape from that place, no? So he should not get catch to the Anil. So he was running and running. So later he was thought that how much that amount, because he doesn't know that how much amount the rupees he has stolen. So now he started counting the rupees. And 60, how much amount it was? 600 rupees in 50s. It was a 50s notes, okay, and it was about 600 rupees. I can't live like an old oil-rich Arab for a week or a two. Okay, how he was counting? He was counting like an Arab oil merchant. So how he was counting the merchants which belongs to the Arab people, like that he was counting. And he can lead his life for the upcoming 2 weeks. For the next 2 weeks, he can live his life easily without much struggle, without giving a hard work. Okay, so he can lead the next 2 weeks life. Then, when I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life. Okay, so when he reached to the station, so throughout his life, he has never purchased a ticket. So he is just waiting for a train there. Without ticket, he went inside into the station, but dashed straight to the platform. Suddenly he rushed to the platform. He walked to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. So that train was moving. It started to move. The train had still to pick up speed. I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. Okay, so one of the compartment he wanted to jump into, but he can't. Okay, so still it was not in speed. The train was not in speed. It was moving slowly, but I hesitated. So he was hesitant to get into the train for some reason. So suddenly he can get into the train easily, but suddenly something it was hesitated to him. Okay, so what the reason is, I can't explain it, and I lost the chance to get away. So that hesitation, he can't explain that moment. So what was the hesitation? What was the reason that he could not get into the train? Okay, so then, and I lost the train. I lost the chance to get away, and now he lost the chance to get away from that place. When the train had gone, found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. So when the train moved, when the train gone, so he was standing alone in the platform, okay, which was deserted. Deserted means there are no single person there on the station, okay, because it is around 10:30. Okay, I had no idea where to spend the night. So he don't know that where he has to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. He had not made any friend, okay, and he not made any single friend, because more than the friends or more whoever he met the friends, that friends given more trouble than the help. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. So he is thinking that he didn't had any friends. He not made any friends. So the friends are more than helping. They are giving the trouble, and he can't make the curious to the people who he was going to aboard, means he was going to be bored with the hotels, okay, which is very cheaper in the rate, okay. So he doesn't want to go in that kind of a hotels and make them curious, okay. So always near the station, near the bus stand, there are so many thieves, and he knows it, okay. So he thought that he also get robbed by some of the thief. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Okay, so now he knows only person in that place is the man who robbed. Robbed means the name here is Anil. Okay, he is the only person that trusts me and I trust him. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. Now he left the station and he walked over the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of man's faces when they had lost their goods. So when he was chosen, the theft was a profession. It's when he was begin this profession, this as a career. So he was reading the faces of the people who was robbed. Okay, so here he was explaining about how he was learnt the art of reading the faces. Okay, how he was well known, how he was expert in the reading of the faces of the people. Here he is explaining here. When they had lost their goods, the greedy man showed fear. The greedy man showed the fear. So when the greedy man, he was lost something, things, or he was get robbed. So he shows the fear on his face. The rich man showed anger. How the rich man showing his expression on his face? By showing anger, he was get robbed. So he was understood by this. The poor man showed acceptance. How the poor man get robbed? If the poor man get robbed, how he was show the expression? He showed the acceptance. Acceptance. He is accepting that he was robbed. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show only touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. So while he was recalling those past incidents and how he was expert in the face reading when the people loses their things, okay. So how the greedy man, how he was show the expression, and the rich man, how he was show the expression, and the poor man, how he was show the expression. But now he was thinking about the Anil's face. So he discovered the Anil face now. He imagined the Anil face. If he get to know about that, he was robbed. His money was lost. That the thief, the Hari Singh, was stole his amount. He stolen his amount. So what? He showed the expression. He was in a sad. So why he was sad? Because not for the losing of money, because of the losing of trust. Okay, because losing of the trust is a very great cheating. It's a cheating. It's a betray to the people who trust a lot. Okay, there is no excuses here. Okay, and now this thief knows well how the Anil reacted when he knows that. So the money was stolen by the Hari Singh. Okay, and he was lost the trust on somebody. So he just imagined the face of the Anil. Okay, so he wasn't sad. He not show anger. He not show acceptance. He not showed the expression of fear. He only shows the expression on his face, that is the sadness. Okay. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. That the night was chilly. It was early November, and little and light drizzle added my discomfort. So when he was thinking about Anil and he was recalling his past things and how he was learned the art of theft and all. So then he was sat on the Maidan. Maidan means it's a kind of a field. It's a open area, open space area. So there it was a bench and he was sitting there. So it was a light drizzle. Drizzle means it's a light drizzling. So it's a few drops of rain. Okay, it started. It was raining. Then added to my discomfort, it was chilly night. Okay, it was very cold night and it was a month of November. Okay, and he feels very discomfort because of the cold. Soon it was raining quite heavily. So later it was raining heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. So after he was on a open space, he was in Maidan and he was sitting on the bench. Okay, so it was heavily raining. So he was in a wet. So his pajama, his shirt was wet. Okay, and he feel discomfort now. and it was cold wind is blowing, okay, near on the face. I went back to the bazaar, sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were dumped from the anil, from the rain. So he went back to the bazaar. Bazaar means it's a market. Okay. I sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. So clock tower, you know, in the particular cities they have some of the clock tower. So where the markets were organized, so there it was a clock tower. So he was sat under the clock tower. Clock show midnight. So what was the time? It was about midnight. Midnight means it's about 12 or 1 o'clock in between. I felt for the notes. They were dumped from the rain. So he was felt when he was opened the notes, and all the money, it was wet, okay, because of the rain. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. Okay, here he explains the situation about the next morning. These amounts are anils, it's not me, and if I will be there, if I will be with Anil, so he will give me the amount of 2 or 3 rupees for my cinema, to go to watch the movie, and but now I had it all. So whatever the things, whatever the money he has got, everything it is with me. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. So now he was imagining that he left the Anil's house and he broke the trust of Anil. So how could he go to the Anil now? So he was not giving me the amount of 2 or 3 rupees, and now I can't cook anymore now, and now then he will not teach me how to read and write the sentences. So he was thinking about himself. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. So whatever the things he has here in these lines, he is explaining about the experiences which he was learned from the Anil. So because of the excitement of stealing, I forgot all those care, all the love and affection of Anil's. Okay, Anil was given to this guy, this Hari Singh. So because of that, and if now he was thinking that if I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. If I able to read and write, if I will get educated with the help of the Anil, so I can be on the 100 rupees. Okay, I can be able to 100 rupees if I will be educated for some day because of the reason of Anil. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. So the stealing, it's only the simple matter. Okay, and it is easy to caught. So when we steal it, and it is easy to caught. Okay, you know how the thieves and the robbers, how they are stealing without leaving any impression. Okay, like that they were stealing, and they are having a clever mind. They are having intellectual mind. So it is easy to steal, but it is more easy to catch. Okay. Then he is saying here, but to be really big man, a clever man and respected man was something else. Okay. The clever man, the respected man, the intellectual man, it's a big man means it's the kind-hearted man. It's a kind of something else. Okay. So he was never thought of to steal something. Okay. I should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. Yes, now he is thinking, he is transforming himself. So this thief was transforming himself. Okay. So now he is understood that how much important to read and write. If I know how to read and write, if I will be educated means in a future, so I can earn the 100 rupees. These 100 rupees, some of the rupees I can able to earn it if I will be educated. Okay, so it's a good to I will get back to the Anil. And he told to himself. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. So now he hurriedly went back to the home, to the Anil's house. Okay, and he was in a hurry to, now he is thinking that it is easier to steal, but it is more difficult to keep those things, whatever they have steal, and it was undetected, means unnoticed. The Anil was not noticed, means unnoticed to these things, means it is quite relaxed to this guy. But if he noticed, means, so how can he trust? So he will not trust once again to this guy. Okay, so he was thinking about himself. I opened the door quietly. So now he was inside the home. He was opened the door quietly, with silently, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Okay, so with the clouded moonlight, it was reflecting in the home. So there he was standing and he was watching there. Anil was still asleep. He was watching that he was asleep or he was wake up. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand up with the notes. Crept, again here the word is using crept. Again he was moving like a creature. Okay, insects, creeping in a crawling manner. He was moved ahead near the bed and my hand came with the notes. So he was keeping the notes, the rupees on the mattresses. I felt his breath on my hand. So while he's keeping back those amount where he was stolen from there, so he felt that his breath, while he was taking breath, Daniel was taking breath while he was sleeping, so that he was sense it. Okay, I remained still for a minute, then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. Okay, so he was reminded, means he was reminded himself that he was in sleep. So suddenly he was kept all the notes under the mattresses, very unnoticeable way. Okay, without making a single noise, he kept the notes, the rupees as it is, how he was stolen. Okay. I woke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. So in the next morning, he woke up very late. Okay, because the whole night he was in this confusion. Okay, and he was transformed his life. And Anil was already made a tea for Hari Singh. He stretched out his hand towards me. Stretching means doing like this when he was wake up and he was stretching his body. Okay. Towards me, there was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. So there was a 50 rupees notes between his fingers. There are some rupees while he was giving me a tea. So while he was stretching out, so there are some of the 50 rupees in his finger. My heart sank. Now he was nervous. I thought I had been discovered. So he thought that, the Hari Singh was thought that I had caught now. I made some money yesterday, he explained. So now Anil was explaining that I made some money, I earned some money. Now you will be paid regularly. So now you will get paid regularly because I earned some money. So you will get your salary regularly, daily. My spirits rose. So he was in a happy mood. Who? Hari Singh. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. So when Anil was given the notes to this Hari Singh, it was still in a wet. Okay. Why it is wet? Because of the rain. And it was unnoticed. Okay. Today we will start writing sentences, he said. So here Anil said that today we are going to start our writing sentences. Means Anil was going to teach, means he was going to taught to this guy, this Hari Singh, how to write the sentences. Okay. He knew, but neither his lips nor eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile back came by itself without any effort. So, what are the things he was done by the Hari Singh? So, everything he was known. Who? The Anil. But his lips, he has not spoken about that Anil one day also, and his eyes also not showing the expression like anything. He was like unknowing anything. Okay, so he was pretending that he don't know anything, but actually he knows everything. Okay, who? Anil. And later Hari Singh was given a smile, a most appealing smile. Once again, in the beginning also he given a very strange kind of a very strange and sweet smile. So like that he was given a smile to the Anil, and then return it back. He was also given a smile. Okay. So now by this story we can understood that a man, we can say that the man who is educated, who is the educated here? Anil, and he was about 25. He doesn't care about the things whatever he earned. He earned by his effort, by his talent, not by the thief, by stolen, by cheating, okay, or to break the trust of somebody. And he is leading a peaceful life. But in the same case, the life of we can compare here the life of the Anil and life of the Hari Singh. Okay, always he was keep on changing his name once in a month. He should not caught easily to the police or the owner of the work of the job or somewhere. Okay, so he was changing. So he didn't find a peace anywhere. Okay, and it is easy to live the life comfortably after stealing, after getting money easily. But that money, how many days he will spend on himself, and that money not gives a pleasure, it not gives a happiness. Okay, there is a thrill while doing this profession, but that profession it not give any kind of happiness from the soul. Okay, and he never feel a peace or the peaceful in his life. He never experienced it. Okay, so this is the story about. So in this story we come to know about how the boy Hari Singh he was transformed his life from a bad to good. How the thief was changed because of the Anil. Okay, and we can say that because of the love and affection. Okay, so who given the love and affection? Anil, and he had the hope that he will get change himself. Okay, so he had shown the love and affection to this guy, and what happened in the next? He was transformed. Okay, because of the love and affection, and he also afraid to break the trust of the Anil. So this is about the story of the thief's story. Okay, I hope that you all are enjoyed and learned some good lessons from this story. Okay, so this is the today's class. I hope that you all are understood and you are appreciating these characters. You are appreciating these characters. Okay, so all of you stay at home, keep learning. Thank you all.